If you're broke right now, or you feel like no matter how hard you try, you just can't save money, this video might be the one that changes everything for you. Because today, I'm going to show you a simple, realistic, step-by-step system to save your first $10,000, even if your income is low. Let's be honest, most people think saving money is impossible. You get paid, and within days, sometimes even hours, it's gone. Bills, rent, food, subscriptions, even unexpected expenses. It never stops. And the worst part? At the end of the month, you look at your account and think, where did all my money go? I used to be in that exact situation. I thought the problem was that I didn't make enough money. But then I realized something that completely changed the way I see money. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you control what you earn. There are people making average salaries who build savings, invest, and become financially free. And there are people making high incomes who are still broke. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system you can start using today. Step 1, and this is where everything starts. Know your numbers, because you can't improve what you don't measure. Right now, most people have no idea how much they actually spend every month. So here's what I want you to do. Take a notebook or your phone and write down your total monthly income and every single expense, and I mean everything. Rent, food, transport, even that small coffee or snack you buy every day. At first, this might feel annoying, but trust me, this step is powerful. Because once you see your spending clearly, something interesting happens. You start noticing patterns. You realize things like, I didn't know I was spending this much on food. Why am I paying for things I don't even use? And that awareness alone can save you hundreds. This is the foundation. Without this step, nothing else works. Step 2. Now that you know where your money is going, this is where things start to change fast. Cut invisible expenses. These are the small daily costs that don't feel like much, but add up massively over time. Think about this. Subscriptions you forgot about, ordering food instead of cooking, impulse purchases, random online shopping. Individually, they seem small, but together, they destroy your ability to save. Let's do the math. If you spend just $5 per day on unnecessary things, that's $150 per month and $1,800 per year. That's almost 20% of your $10,000 goal vanished. So what should you do? You don't need to cut everything. Just reduce what doesn't add real value to your life. Keep what you truly enjoy and eliminate what you don't even notice. This step alone can completely change your financial situation. Step 3. Now let's organize your money. The smart way. The 50, 30, 20 rule. It's simple and it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings. Needs are things you must pay. Rent, food, bills, transportation. Wants are lifestyle choices, eating out, entertainment, shopping, and savings. That's your future. Now here's the truth. If you really want to reach $10,000 faster, you need to push this further. Instead of saving 20%, try 30 or even 40%. Yes, it's harder, but it's temporary, and the results are worth it. Because every extra percentage you save reduces the time it takes to reach your goal. Step 4. This step is critical, and most people ignore it. Increase your income. Because there's a limit to how much you can cut, but there's no limit to how much you can earn. If you're only saving, you're playing defense. You also need to play offense. Here are a few simple ways to start freelancing online, selling products, learning a skill like video editing or design, offering services. You don't need to make thousands. Even an extra $100 or $200 per month can change everything. And more importantly, it changes your mindset. You stop thinking like someone who is limited and start thinking like someone who creates opportunities. Step 5. Now let's make saving effortless. Automate your savings. Because discipline is good, but systems are better. Here's what most people do. They wait until the end of the month and save whatever is left. The problem? There's usually nothing left. So instead, flip the system. As soon as you receive your income, automatically transfer a percentage into a separate savings account before you even have the chance to spend it. This does two things. It removes temptation and it forces you to live on what remains. And over time, you won't even feel it. Saving becomes automatic and efficient. Now let's talk about real numbers, because motivation is good, but clarity is what actually changes your life. If you save $300 per month, that's just $10 a day, less than what most people spend without thinking. And at that pace, you'll reach $10,000 in about 33 months. That's less than 3 years to completely change your financial situation. Now imagine this. If you push a little more and save $500 per month, you cut that time almost in half. You reach your goal in around 20 months. That's not luck. That's not talent. That's discipline. But here's where things get interesting. Saving alone is powerful, but combining it with extra income, that's where speed happens. An extra $100, $200, even $300 per month could shave off months, sometimes even years, from your journey. And most people ignore this. They focus on being perfect, waiting for the right moment, or thinking they need a big income to start. But the truth is, the key is consistency, not perfection. You don't need to go all in or be extreme. You just need to show up every single month, even if you start small, even if it's just $50, even if it feels slow, because over time slow becomes fast, small becomes big. And one day, you look at your account and realize you actually did it. So don't overthink it. Don't wait. Start with what you have and just start. So if you're serious about changing your financial life, start today, not tomorrow, not next month, today. And if you want more simple, powerful strategies like this, subscribe to the Wealth Lab. Because here, we're not just talking about money, we're building real wealth, step by step. Stay tuned for the upcoming strategies, because we're going to make you rich and financially stable. And one day you're going to look back and be grateful for our guidance. If you have any question or request, just comment it below, and thanks for your attention. Like, share and subscribe.